Altcoins are ready to pop and make more impact in the crypto market. With the entire market being bearish at this point, this could be the right time to start investing in these altcoins.
Invest!
Hey, welcome to Moneymaker. Moneymaker is a channel dedicated to helping others become financially independent, FIRE movement, through cryptocurrency trading and investing. The FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early is our focus.
Seriously, man, just retire.
We will share our views on Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies, interesting stocks, and online moneymakers. In today's video, we will be talking about the altcoins that are about to pop,
Crypto is out there.
the market opportunities in altcoins, and what to look out for. Let's get started. Ever since the introduction of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has been leading the market by influencing other cryptos and being the king of all cryptos. No matter what is said, Bitcoin was the coin that put cryptocurrencies into the mainstream, and the seemingly simple concept behind it caught on with the general public, driving its value to the coveted high levels that we've been seeing. It basically paved the way for an entire industry, and today almost anyone involved in crypto owns at least some Bitcoin. Even with all this success, it is to be noted that, to this day, Bitcoin is the only crypto whose creator has remained completely anonymous. The price of this famously volatile digital currency fell nearly 30% at one point after the China Banking Association warned member banks of the risks associated with digital currencies. This decline narrowed to below 10% by that afternoon, but Bitcoin had still lost about $70 billion in market value in just 24 hours. Bitcoin has lost approximately 38% of its value since April 13th, when it hit a high of more than $64,800, according to CoinDesk. The China warning was just the latest news. Before that, Tesla's decision to not accept the digital currency as payment for cars after it said it would, and talks in Washington about tighter regulation of digital currencies have put pressure on Bitcoin. The price is still up by about 31% in 2021 and nearly 300% from a year ago. The currency has broken through the ceiling of a falling trend channel in the medium-long term. This shows a slower falling rate initially, or the start of somewhat more horizontal development. The price has had a short fall from the negative signal from the head and shoulders formation at the breakdown through the support at 48,030. The objective at 38,326 was met, but the formation signals further development in the same direction. The currency is now testing support at 33,000. This could give a positive reaction, but a downtrend breakthrough of 33,000 means a negative signal. The volume has previously been low at price tops and high at price bottoms, which also weakens the trend break. The currency is overall assessed as technically negative for the medium-long term. Ethereum's Ether has outperformed Bitcoin so far this year. The altcoin is up around 240% this year, while the world's most popular cryptocurrency is up less than 38%. It's been a volatile few months in the crypto world, with Bitcoin's value peaking in April before falling back around $30,000, while Ether peaked in May at around $4,000 and is now trading around $2,500. It's also crucial to note that Ether's market cap is less than half of that of Bitcoin's, but trading volumes for the smaller coins surged to $600 billion in May, that is 60% higher than Bitcoin volumes, according to Morgan Stanley. Considering data from the past, it is evident that altcoins may be set for takeoff. Notably, in the past two bull cycles where Bitcoin has breached its all-time high, altcoins have typically rallied in its wake. For instance, Litecoin made a famous breakout in 2014, once Bitcoin had launched above its old high of $250. LTC hit highs close to $50 during this time frame, while BTC rocketed to $1,200. It was also noted that both Ethereum and Ripple also rallied after Bitcoin's halving event in 2016. This sparked a surge towards an all-time high of $1,420 for Ether in early 2018, many weeks after BTC peaked at its new all-time high in late 2017. Following suit, XRP reached its all-time high of $3.34. The general trend in altcoins also shows that they could be set for a series of hefty runs towards brand new all-time highs. These movements could be made all the more likely with the arrival of PayPal accommodation for cryptocurrencies, making it easier to exchange Bitcoin and other altcoins, which is opening the doors to more adoption alongside the development of more secure and trustworthy exchanges compared to earlier crypto rallies of the past decade. Another reason for altcoins coming up is the mass investment in them, and many of the youth considering Bitcoin a boomer coin and making investments in small coins. showing an equivalent fight among bulls and bears. Altcoins took a dive recently but bounced back with a strong retracement. The overall market capitalization of crypto assets has dropped more than 5 to 7% after a pullback from the lows. Two important alternative coins, Binance Coin and Stellar, which were at 4th and 17th rank by market cap respectively, have recently shown more strength. BNB has led the recovery trend among altcoins since the market reset took place. The coin saw a quick recovery as it went back from $225 lows to $430 within a week, before witnessing a correction again and was trading at $340 levels. The volumes have shown good flexibility and much profit booking wasn't seen when prices fell, indicating that the asset is viewed as an investment avenue and to be held for the long term. Investor confidence in the asset is strong as well. It also recently made higher tops, higher bottom formation and surged up to $433. However, prices resisted at these levels and retraced almost 26% and made a weekly low of $319. Technically, in the 4-hour time frame, BNB took multiple support around the crucial level of $322, which is 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and started to move upwards. The uptrend is likely to continue unless the support levels are breached. The next crypto to look up to is Stellar. Stellar is built on an open network that allows money to be moved and stored safely, with the purpose of boosting financial inclusion among participants through expanding the network's global reach. Over time, Stellar Network shifted its focus towards helping financial firms and institutions connect with one another through active participation on the blockchain. Another crucial crypto is VET. VeChain is a blockchain and cryptocurrency aimed at helping businesses improve their supply chains and logistics. Now, VeChain is a cryptocurrency VET. Since the end of 2020, it has increased by more than 9 times, and it's going to be trading at 12 cents. This is one of the cryptocurrencies that Coinbase does not support yet, but you can buy VET on Binance. Now the VET tokens will become increasingly popular as more organizations begin to use blockchain to tuck their supply and inventory channels. Next on the list is Chainlink. Link has constantly increased in value from less than $1 since its launch to about $12 by the end of 2020. Its value rose in 2021 but has since fallen. Chainlink, like Ethereum, is a technology that helps support the whole crypto system rather than a single coin. It's essentially a network that allows blockchains to connect with one another and with non-blockchain technology. Chainlink can be purchased and exchanged on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, and it can also be used to pay for network services. Chainlink provides developers a reliable way to connect to and interact with the rest of the world. It is indeed a pretty good investment for a small coin. Tomo Chain is another interesting investment option among altcoins. It is a mineable coin that is priced around $2 and has a market capitalization of $178,958,694 during the making of this video. This puts it in the 101st place in the global cryptocurrency rating. The current available supply of Tomo Chain is 83,443,425 coins. The CVIX of Tomo Chain shows significant price fluctuation that needs to be dealt with accordingly. Since the crypto market is mostly volatile, this won't be a great issue. The coin is a good investment in the long term. Some other important altcoins are Ripple's XRP, Trons TRX, Cardano's ADA, DOT, Cake, and even Doge. While the list continues, it is important to study what to invest in and then plan your strategy to invest. Currently, there are over 4,000 cryptocurrencies out there on multiple platforms, so it is also important to select the right platform. When it comes to crypto, it is also important to pay close attention to the news, tweets, and literally anything that is associated with the asset. With enough effort, strategies, and consistency, investing in crypto can turn out to be more than just fruitful. Also, don't forget that it's important to diversify your investment. With that, we have come to the end of today's video. Before we wind up, we would like to let you know that we are only sharing information on crypto and the video is not personal financial advice. It is also better to consult your financial advisor before investing in anything at all. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and stay tuned for more videos. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below and see you again with another video. Until then, bye.